Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter passwords and security. Go to screen lock, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: pattern, PIN and password. Firstly, let's select PIN, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Enter 4 to 16 digits, and then let's select password. In password you have to enter at least 4 characters. Again, use it to unlock the phone. And this time let's select pattern. To create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Now, when it's done, let's go to biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint. Firstly, tap Add fingerprint, confirm, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Cancel, tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock, and now simply scan your face in this area. Tap next, and now my face is scanned. I can use it to unlock the phone. Swipe and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.